Hello everyone, I hope you all are ready for the Mandala workshop which is coming on 15th May. So basically I want to introduce all the things which are required for this workshop. So we will just start with the things. So the first thing which we need is, which is very important, is geometry box. Basically we need from this geometry box, the main thing which we need is rounder, scale, pencil and protractor, which is called as D also. So these four things basically we need from the geometry box. So if you are not having geometry box or rounder, no need to worry about it. You can just take any sharp pointed object, you can just tie it up with the help of thread, and on its another end we are going to tie our pencil, which we can roll it out according to the size of circle. But if you are using this, please make sure you should be very practiced about the circle making with the help of thread. Like this you can hold and make a circle with the help of thread and sharp pointed object. So basically I am making this video to tell you that if you are using this, you need very much practice with this tool, and if you are having rounder, then there will be very easy for you to do all the things in Mandala workshop. So that was all for the geometry box, and rest of the things I am introducing you is, these are mandala pens. Generally we use for making mandala. It comes in different nibs. You can take as many as you want, from thin to thick. I am having these three which are sufficient. One is 0.2, one is 0.4 and the third one is 0.8. So this is the thinnest one and this is the thickest one. So these are three nibs. If you are not having this, you can use Sharpies. These are bold markers which can be used on each and every surfaces, every kind of surfaces. So these are bold markers. It comes in different color. I am having these three glitter colors, so these are bold markers. If you are not having that, you can use this for fine tip, normal CD permanent marker, or you can just use normal pen for the making of mandala, right? And one more thing is, brush pens. So brush pens basically comes in different shades from 6, 12 to 24. I am having 24. So this can be used to fill color. If you are not having brush pens, you can use normal fine tip brushes and paint colors. So that was all for the tools. And now talking about the notebook or sketch file. So basically A3 size is perfect for mandala, and you can take any size of book according to you, but it should be more than 75 GSM. It is the weighing measurement of paper, so it should be more than 75 GSM. So I am having 140 GSM sketch file and the size is A3. It is with butter paper, but due to lockdown, if you are not having anything, so you can just use normal drawing sheet or normal chart paper. One more thing is very important, a notepad to write some important notes. So that was all about the workshop. So thank you for watching. I hope you all will be ready with the things.